My experiments that I will be doing today is on refraction. Now, one of the misconceptions that my student Mia had was that when an object gets placed into the water, it looks different because the water's either foggy or it's moving. Now, these are two quick little experiments. They're both quite fun, but they're going to show you how light can play tricks on your eyes. Okay, for the first experiment, all we need is a glass of water. Don't fill it to the top, maybe just till about there, and a pencil. Now we are going to place the pencil into the glass. Now firstly, let's have a look from the top. And it still kind of looks the same, doesn't it? But what happens if we look from the side? It kind of looks bent, doesn't it? See, it looks there and then up there. Now this is because light travels slower through water than through air. As the light enters the glass of water, it slows down or changes direction. As it leaves the glass, it speeds up again, therefore making the pencil look like it's bent. Notice I still have clear, still water in the glass as well. So there goes that misconception of the water having to move or be foggy. Okay, for this experiment you will need an empty glass, a jug of water, and a pitcher with an arrow on it. Alright, so now just get the pitcher with the arrow and just place it behind the glass like that. Now get the jug of water and then pour it into the glass. Now as I pour the water, watch what happens to the arrow. Pretty cool, isn't it? Alright, so now the arrow has changed direction. Now this is because the light has travelled from the air, straight through the glass, through the water, through the back of the glass, and then back through the air before hitting the arrow. Another example of how light bends or refracts once passed through one material to another.